I think this is my sign.
Forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious. I've been on my block like for so long that I felt boxed in. Homie on my block no more, but I let them know I can't change, yeah. I be in my head like high.
What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I was finna say something else, but before we get started, y'all do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Y'all won't miss a video, y'all be in rotation. Now, let's get into the Christmas spirit, y'all. You feel me? It's the holiday season, and it's chilly outside. Look a little gloomy. So let's go ahead and get in the Christmas spirit, you feel me? Let's cheer some stuff up a little bit. So, this video, I'm gonna be wrapping the hood of my Dodge Charger with Christmas gift wrap, Christmas present wrap. So I got this brand new wrap and I told myself, let's go ahead and get in the Christmas spirit. So I'm gonna wrap the hood of my car. And I've seen this video going around on TikTok. I've seen a couple people do it on TikTok, and I figured why not do it down here on my Charger, you feel me? Do something different. I ain't never done this before, and anytime during the holidays, you feel me, the only thing we do is throw up a Christmas tree. So I figured why not bring it to my YouTube channel and put the Christmas spirit in my car, on my car, either way, however you want to say it, however you want to put it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wrap the hood of my car, and if I like it, I might go ahead and later on, not today, because like I said, it's chilly and it was supposed to warm up this week, so I might wrap the hood and the trunk so it'll be like one full stripe going all the way down. But the only thing is that spoiler. I got a spoiler on the back of my car, so I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I know for sure I'm gonna wrap the hood though, and that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna leave it on till after New Year's, you know. Hopefully, if it rains or snows or anything, it don't mess it up. Then if it do, I'm gonna have to rewrap it. And if it do, like I said, I'm gonna come back to y'all on the video and rewrap it. But this video, we're gonna be wrapping the hood of my Charger. I got me some tape. Now the only thing is, I just hope this tape don't rip up the paint of my car. And then I got a couple different bows. So I got a green bow, which is small. Got this little checker, kind of like checker stripe bow. I got a gold bow. And I don't know which one I'm gonna put on yet, but I know I'm gonna put it in the corner of the hood, which is by the windshield. So one of these two corners, driver and passenger side. I don't know which one yet, but I'm gonna be putting it on, because you know, on presents, people put a bow on the present. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be throwing that on as well. And yeah, like I said, just gonna be wrapping the hood. So it shouldn't be too much, shouldn't be too hard. I know it's not gonna be one full strip, because it ain't. My hood is bigger than this whole roller strip. So you feel me? This roller strip will probably cover a little bit more than half of the hood. Then I'm gonna have to cover it up with another half and tape it together and stuff like that. So yeah, it should be fairly easy, fairly quick. Hopefully it don't be too long. And let's get ready to get right into it. But like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Y'all won't miss no videos. And I'm grinding. I wish I could have participated in Vlogmas. It's just my vlogs and stuff don't do good. You feel me? People don't watch that stuff. Y'all only watch my car stuff, so I gotta figure out different car content to keep recording while I'm not really able to work on the cars, really not really able to do much work to the cars, you know. So yeah, let's get right into this video. I'm gonna put y'all on my tripod and we're gonna wrap the hood of my car. Alright, so I got y'all on my tripod, and not gonna lie, this roll is definitely a lot smaller than I was expecting. So yeah, I really don't know how this is gonna work, but all I know is you gotta do what you gotta do. So first I'm gonna just try and roll it out best as I can. So just scoot y'all back just a little bit. And yeah, we're just gonna roll it out and then trim it down. So So yeah, like I said, I don't know how good this finna turn out, but we finna see and we finna do our best. Just really get into the holiday spirit, you know. I really ain't been feeling it because my channel ain't been doing that good. But regardless, we gotta grind regardless, you know what I'm saying? So turn it a little bit. Give it like a little California look. Alright, y'all, don't judge me on how good this will turn out. We just gonna try our best, you know. I don't know how good this is gonna turn out. And I hope this tape don't rip up my paint. If it do, this car needs to be repainted anyways. So, I mean, it won't be that big of a deal, but I don't want it to rip my paint up, so yeah. The car needs, like I said, the car do need to be repainted anyways, so it ain't gonna be that big of a deal. I don't want this to really rip up my paint like I'm thinking it's gonna do. Yeah, it looked like it'll fold over, so we take that other one down, this other side. Now I can't even find where the tape ended. Here we go. Maybe this will turn out good, maybe it won't. I guess we're gonna find out though. I don't think it's gonna rip up my paint. I think it'll be alright. So, grab me a quick thumbnail picture while this is going. Seems like traffic pretty busy today. A lot of cars rolling, a lot of cars going up and down the road. Hold it down about right there where I set my tape at. I done lost the tape, y'all. What in the world? I done lost the tape. Nah, this is crazy. I just lost the tape. Hold on, 1 second. Alright, so I got the first half, well, not even the first half. I got the first section I was just working on done. I want to keep just updating y'all really so y'all know where I'm at, but yeah, this is the first little part. And like I said, I don't know if this tape gonna rip up the paint. If it do, it'll be alright, because this car, it gotta get repainted anyways. Me and my dad was gonna repaint it probably this coming up summer 2024, but so far so good. I mean, it ain't the best. It's definitely a lot harder than what I was expecting, but it's gonna work out in the end. Two more sections to go. Got my scissors. Yeah, about right there should be good. It wasn't supposed to be this windy today, but it is what it is, you know. You gotta work with what we can, especially since I'm trying to make sure I get content for y'all. About right there looks pretty good. How's it looking on camera? Oh yeah. Yeah. Maybe this is my sign to end up wrapping my hood black. You know how people be doing that on like they scat packs and Hellcats and stuff? How they have a painted car, but the hood will be black, the roof will be black, and the trunk. Maybe this is my sign to go ahead and buy some wrap and wrap my hood black. I think this is my sign. Alright. Make sure that's smooth. Alright. I done lost the tape again. Bro, what's the frick? Oh, here we go. Yeah, I don't know what my head doing. I'm tripping right now, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, like I was saying, man, this coming out good, but it's definitely a lot harder than what I was expecting. I was thinking it was gonna be pretty quick and easy. It's definitely not a quick job, but I'm definitely having fun doing this, you know what I'm saying? So regardless, this is something I like and it's fun. I got everybody beefing at me. Losing the tape again. Everybody beeping, saying hello to me. I guess they liking my little Christmas decoration I'm trying to do. Christmas decoration. The only thing I'm hoping is that if it rains, it don't mess up this paper. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not. So that's gonna be the only bad part, is not knowing when it's gonna rain and stuff. I'm gonna have to try and cover up this car. I'm gonna have to try and make sure I cover up the car. Or at least the hood anyways. I have a few tarps in the crib, at the crib, you know what I'm saying? Just try and make sure that my paper will last till Christmas/New Year's, which is what I'm hoping it will. So let me go ahead and finish up the entire hood. Once the whole hood is finished, I'm gonna come back to y'all for the final results and get y'all opinion. Y'all see it's like a little crease air bubble here. I can try and get that out. It shouldn't be too much, but yeah, let me finish up and I'm gonna come back to y'all for the final result. All right, y'all, so this was definitely a lot harder than I was expecting coming into this, but honestly, for my first time ever wrapping something like this, you know what I'm saying, a car anyways, I think it looks pretty good, especially if you do the little 10 feet rule like we usually do. But here it go. My Charger is now in the Christmas spirit. Something different, you know what I'm saying? And it might not look the best, but I definitely have fun doing this. You feel me? And it gave me joy, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, like I said, it ain't the best, it ain't the prettiest. Now, if I was using vinyl wrap, it'll probably look a little different, probably look a little better. But since this is wrapping paper, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna be the best, especially not with me doing it. And it's a few parts right here where y'all know the little washer fluid sprays onto the windshield. So yeah, that was something I couldn't avoid unless I cut it out. And like I said, I don't care about it being perfect as long as the car is now in the Christmas spirit. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Now we gotta put the final touch on, which is the bow, and I think I'm gonna put it on the passenger side. Yeah, I'm gonna do passenger side. So let me turn y'all towards me. Let's try and get this wrapper off the bottom. All right. And we gonna put the bow. I don't even think it's gonna stick for real or stay anyways. But we will. Nah, it ain't gonna stay. Nah. I'm gonna have to get like some glue or something and try and glue it on there. But that's how it would be. You feel me? A little subtle bow. But it ain't gonna stick, so we ain't even gonna worry about the bow. If anything, I'll get like some glue or something and do it later on. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. I like it. Like I said, it's something different. And honestly, this took a lot longer than what I expected, and it was a lot harder. So I do not plan on wrapping the roof or the trunk. Yeah, this was a lot. I mean, I might do it. It depends on what y'all say. If y'all think I should, then I will. But I know for sure, once I take this off, I will be trying to order some black vinyl wrap, because I want to wrap my hood, my roof, and my trunk black, so it'll be like a black stripe going down. So I'm definitely gonna end up doing that. So once this come off, we will be getting vinyl wrap, and we're gonna put some black vinyl wrap. I'm not gonna get, I don't know, I might get matte or I might get metallic. I don't know, I'm gonna have to look and see. But I'm gonna look up some vinyl wrap and see if I can get enough to go from the hood to the trunk. So hood, roof, trunk, and I'm gonna wrap it all black vinyl. And then I'm gonna start repainting my trims, like these little trim pieces black. I'm gonna start repainting them. I already repainted this one, but this one been had runs in it, so I'm gonna have to redo this as well. So I'm gonna redo all these trims in black, and then we're gonna have the black hood, roof, and trunk. So yeah, but like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think. I think it came out very good, very well. And the car's in the Christmas spirit now. Maybe I'll get a Christmas tree, throw the Christmas tree on the roof and wrap it up and leave it up there. But I'll catch y'all in a second, in 1 second for the outro. All right, guys, so this is gonna be the end of this one. I know a lot of y'all probably gonna be like, bro, that was stupid to do, but you feel me, it was something fun. I liked it, and it was fun to me to do. So you know what I'm saying, I enjoy doing this, you know. So it is what it is. As long as I enjoyed this, so that's the main thing that matters. So I hope y'all liked this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If not, I don't know, I really can't change y'all mind. You feel me? It's y'all mind. I don't plan on changing it. So that's gonna be the end of this one though. Y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to auto where y'all be notified every time I drop. Y'all won't miss no videos. Y'all be in rotation with me. Now if y'all got dreams and goals, I want to motivate y'all the way y'all motivated me to go after my dream, which is record these videos and make content. So I want y'all do the same. Go after y'all dreams and goals and at least give it a try, so that at least you can say that you tried to go after your dream, and you won't be upset later on in life and have any regrets, you know what I'm saying? So I want y'all to go after y'all dream and go, at least give it a try. And it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love and appreciate y'all. For one, for y'all, I wouldn't be doing this, and I wouldn't be going as hard as I've been going, you know what I'm saying, dropping 4 times a week. I want to get to posting daily, but for now it's doing okay. It ain't doing the best, but it's doing okay. We're gonna grow eventually. Like I said, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. It's gonna be the end of this one. I'll catch y'all in the next one.